Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the OPI Shine Bright collection. This is their Holiday 2020 collection and it's from their Infinite Shine line. So anyone who doesn't know about that one, it does differ from the regular polish, which features that black cap that you might be familiar with. This one actually has a metallic silver cap and it's more long wear, shine, and it gives a gel-like finish. It's kind of like that happy medium between like a regular lacquer and then a gel. But no curing or any LED lamp or UV lamp required, so you're good. That said, it does have a three-part system. So you have your first step, which is the primer, and that's like the base coat. And then your second step, which is going to be the color. And then the third step is the gloss, and that seals everything in. So that's where you're going to get your longer wear. This collection is glitter, it's shimmer, it's 15 pieces, okay? This is huge, and we are gonna go through it one by one, okay? So before we get into the collection, I wanted to actually show you guys the PR unboxing of this collection. I just thought OPI Canada really outdid themselves, I feel, with this packaging. It's really, really cute. It was really creative. And so I really want to share that with you and so you guys can kind of like open it up with me. Let's check that out and then we'll get into the swatches. So the package was sent to me just like this as a gift, which is so perfect for a holiday collection. There was an invitation for a fun and virtual event on the outside, and then underneath was a crystal-shaped cookie from a local bakery. The theme of this package is wellness, crystals, and healing. So as we'll see when we open up the box, there's some more crystal-themed goodies inside. I got a little baggie of different crystals. And then they even have a cute little crystal-infused candle. Now this is a soy candle, and guys, it smells amazing. I'm not sure what kind of garnish was dressed on it, but it smells so calming and beautiful, if beautiful had a scent, I guess. It's also got a pomegranate flower in there and a piece of a fir tree. And then here's a bath bag, which is literally a huge tea bag with rose quartz crystals embedded inside. And then all you do is you throw it in the bath while you soak, and then you can remove the crystal when you're done. Some other goodies included in the package were some nail art tools. There was a dotting tool and a brush. They've also included some Swarovski crystals for some added shimmer and glam. Okay, so now onto the collection. There were 2 boxes that were included for all 12 polishes, and then the glitter toppers were separate here. There are so many awesome shades in this collection, and I'm ready to swatch them, so let's get started. For these swatches, I will be applying a coat of the OPI primer. First up, we have To Ollie Good Night. This is a steel blue gray with matching blue and silver shimmer. This one has full coverage and only 2 coats. Next is Ready for the Holidays. This is a gorgeous red cream, and it's actually the only cream of this collection. Shown here are 2 coats, and I'm just loving the intensity and the coverage with this one. It's so beautiful. Naughty or Nice is a pale peach polish, and it's got some silver shimmer in there. It actually applies really well in only 3 coats. Merry and Cranberry is giving us fuchsia, it's giving us red, it's giving us a pearl finish. The formula is pigmented and it builds up really nicely into 2 coats. It's a little bit streaky for my liking, but not too bad with this one. Let's Take an Elfie is a jewel-toned purple polish with matching purple shimmer. It applies very nicely into full opacity in only 2 coats. Tinsel Tinsel Lil Star is a cool toned purple gray pearl polish. Say that 10 times fast. And it applies very sheer but offers a really nice light pearl finish that is just gorgeous for the holidays. Next is Gingerbread Man Can, and this is a cool toned beige polish. It's got some gorgeous silver shimmers in there. Although it doesn't immediately strike me as a holiday shade, it does add some variation to this collection and offers a really unique color combo. Snowfalling For You is a blush pink pearl polish, and shown here are 3 coats. I'm not really loving how streaky it's looking personally, but I love this color even though I'm not living for the application. Next is, this shade is Ornamental. This is another jewel tone polish. It's pink and it's got some hints of red in there. This polish also features a cool tone with those silver shimmer accents, and shown here are 2 coats. Dress to the Wines is a deep jewel toned burgundy with some silver and burgundy shimmers. It applies heavenly, and we get full opacity in only 2 coats. Next is This Gold Slays Me. Not really a big fan of the name, but anyway, this is a gold pearl polish. It's got some silver shimmers in there as well, which adds a cool undertone to it. This color is very reminiscent of the holidays, and it just reminds me of like gift wrapping and adding bows and ribbons, you know what I mean? Like, it's just that polish. Let's look at the glittering highlights of the collection. We've got 3 polishes that can be worn solo or paired as a topper. First up, we have Puttin' on the Glitz. This polish has a deep navy blue base with iridescent flakes. Shown here are 3 coats, and it gives a really nice build in color, which actually surprised me. I thought the final look would be more sheer with some nail length peeking through, but it's actually not too bad. That said, this is a polish that is sheer enough on the first coat that it can be layered onto another cream base. Next, we have Heart and Coal, which is a deep charcoal, almost black base, and then there's some iridescent sparkles in there. This polish goes to full opacity in only 2 coats. When the light hits the shimmers of this polish, it is absolutely stunning. It's like a disco ball. It's so pretty. Next is Bring It On, and yes, it has an exclamation mark in the name. I would describe this to be a pearly blue polish, and it's got some iridescent flakes in there as well and some silver shimmers throughout. It builds up nicely to 3 coats here. I do want to note that this one does dry down more on the satin side, not so glossy, so I would highly recommend using the glossy top coat as part of the Infinite Shine system. Last but not least is this beautiful clear base topper. It's got iridescent hexagonal glitters in there that are more round than what we've been seeing, and some matching glitters. So this polish can be applied as a festive topper or worn alone, which is really nice as well. Shown here is the polish over Ready for the Holidays. This is a gorgeous combo, and I just love how holiday this looks. Welcome back. That was a big collection to get through, but it was well worth it, I have to say. I really like this collection for its variation in holiday hues. We got some light colors, some dark colors, some shimmers, and there was even a cream in there too. Also really appreciated how the brand was looking to be different this year. They really tried out and tested different combinations, the cool tones or the warm undertones. There was really something, I feel, for everyone in this collection as well. I'm typically not the biggest fan of pearl polishes, as I find them really streaky a lot of the time, or they're really sheer, and I don't prefer that look for myself. But I do feel that a lot of the polishes from this collection, although they did have that pearl finish, you didn't get that streakiness. They did a great job at keeping that to a minimum. Also, some bling definitely in this collection, and we saw that a lot with the glitter toppers, which I thought was really cool. Favorite of the collection definitely has to be ready for the holidays, and that was the red cream polish. The only cream polish from the collection. I thought it was beautiful, it was gorgeous, it was like such a universal red. I feel like that's a red that can really work for many skin tones, and it just works well any outfit really. The underdog for me definitely has to be the Gingerbread Man can. It is a brown polish that isn't typically found in holiday collections, but I liked kind of the out of the box thinking in the sense of adding a brown to the collection and thinking, oh, okay, gingerbread, yes, like there's a ton of colors. It isn't just reds and golds, it's there's all different variations of colors. So I really appreciated that addition to the collection. It also had some silver shimmer in there, and I felt like that really helped with kind of standing out. I really liked it just on my skin tone. It just stood out for me, but more in like a subtle way, if that makes sense. So I mean I really like that one. Really nice addition. So thank you, OPI. So that's it for the collection. And what do you guys think of it? What do you think of the PR packaging? Like that to me was like super cute and creative, and definitely one of my favorites so far. Alright guys, that's it. That's all. Thank you again as always. And if you are new to my channel, I'm Candace and welcome. I thank you guys so much. Please stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!